Hey guys, how's it going? Now most of us are already subscribed to Airtel's broadband plans or maybe using their Extreme box for video content. But did you guys know that Airtel also offers a single solution Airtel Black plan? Well, that's what this video is all about. In today's video, we'll be unboxing this special box that Airtel sent us and also talk about all the benefits that Airtel Black offers and why it's one of the most ultimate plans out there. So without wasting any time, this is One from Guiding Tech and let's get started. Okay, so what is Airtel Black all about and what are all the benefits that it comes with? Let's start by unboxing this box first. So the box is in full black color and on top we have the Airtel Black logo. Inside the box we have a welcome letter talking about the benefits of Airtel Black. Apart from that, there's a special card with a QR code from where you can find more details about Airtel Black. Okay, so who is Airtel Black exactly for? Well, if there are multiple Airtel services being used by various members of your family, you can just combine all of that into one single family plan, which will be known as the Airtel Black plan. You know, services like postpaid mobile connection, DTH, Airtel Extreme Fiber with landline phone and such. So what Airtel Black does is that it clubs all the various Airtel connections under one umbrella and makes it easier for you to manage those services. Now there will be a single bill generated and that's the only thing that you have to follow up. You don't have to worry about multiple different bills and you won't have to follow around different due dates. One bill, one due date and that's it. And of course, I do not need to stress on how convenient it is to have just a single bill to track instead of having multiple bills with various different due dates to keep a track of. The best part is that in the Airtel My Thanks app, you can see all of your connections under the Airtel Black option and manage them easily. And that's not all. I mean, there are times where you do face some issues or the other and you do need a good customer service to help you resolve that issue. And that's where Airtel Black offers even more benefits. With Airtel Black, all you have to do is just dial 121. When you do that, you'll get special access to a dedicated relationship team. That way, you can resolve your issues quickly and seamlessly without getting lost in the maze of pressing different numbers and waiting for a customer care representative. You'll be given direct and priority treatment without having to wait any more than 60 seconds. And these guys are well experienced folks who know their stuff, so they'll help you resolve your issues ASAP. I mean, let's be honest, time is of the utmost importance in today's world, and with Airtel Black, you get super swift resolutions. Now, apart from all of this, Airtel Black also offers plenty of other benefits as well. Let's talk about them. Now, first off, you get the Airtel Extreme box when you subscribe to Airtel Black. Now this box, which on its own is worth Rs 4,000, is provided to you free of cost. It's based on Android 9 TV and with the help of this box, you can convert any non-smart TV to a smart TV. Now be it Netflix or Amazon Prime, you can stream OTT content directly to your TV in full quality. In fact, we already have a dedicated video talking about all the benefits of Airtel Extreme Box and you can check it out from the card above or the link down below. Now another great thing that Airtel Black offers is that while you already get priority treatment, in case a situation arises where a representative from the Airtel team has to come to your place, there will be zero charges for that. Now usually you do have to pay service cost for that, but under Airtel Black, it's all free. Now another benefit that you get is that if a situation arises where you want to shift your house, usually you have to pay Airtel for the relocating process. Under Airtel Black, all of this will be for free. Like seriously, as an Airtel Black customer, you'll be charged zero shifting cost and no activation fees either. So what does all of this cost? Well, Airtel Black's plans start at just Rs 998 and there are multiple fixed plans on offer. However, you can even customize plans as per your liking. For instance, I personally have 6 postpaid connections along with the Airtel Extreme Fiber box, all clubbed under the Airtel Black plan. All you have to do is just head over to Airtel's website or open the Airtel My Thanks app and configure the plan as per your preferences. Alternatively, you can also give a missed call on this number. So yeah, I mean in a nutshell, the Airtel Black is an excellent value for money plan. Like for me personally, not only does this make everything simple, easier and more convenient, but you also get the peace of mind while also saving a few bucks. Like literally, the fact that I do not have to waste my time pressing different IVRs just trying to connect with customer care is the biggest selling point for me. But add to that are the other benefits that you get. You get priority treatment, you get all of these cost savings, and the fact that it's a single bill that I have to track is just super convenient. And not to forget, the Airtel Extreme box is something that I use every day, and that comes included in the plan. Overall, I feel this could be rated as the best possible Airtel plan till date. And well, that was it. To know more about Airtel Black, go ahead and check out the link down there in the description box. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.